Okay, now let us continue with exercise 4.2, question number 2. And the question is, Nazma is a proprietor of a firm registered under GST. She has paid the GST of rupees 12,500 and received 14,750. What is the amount of ITC? Matlab input tax. Okay. And what is the amount of GST payable? So here is the sum, students. Okay, let us start with the first step. Tax paid. कितना tax paid को ITC भी बोलते हैं. So tax paid equal to ITC equals to rupees 12,500. Tax received is also called as output tax, that is 14,750. Therefore, amount of ITC straight away it is given in the question, and since they are asking it's a first final answer, amount of ITC that is 12,500. Next, GST payable equal to output tax minus ITC, that is 14,750 minus 12,500, which is rupees 2,250. So with this, we have completed the second sum. So here is the next sum, third sum, and the question is, first let us look at the question. Amir Enterprise purchased chocolate sauce bottle and paid GST of rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles to Akbari Bros and received the GST of rupees 4,100. Then Mayank Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Bros and paid the GST of rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage and hence find the CGST and SGST payable also. Now in this question, students, as I have told you earlier also, in this question, we should always mention business also, because as I've told you earlier, एक सम में एक से ज्यादा बिजनेस होता है. तो ये क्वेश्चन में 3 बिजनेस है. The first is Amir Enterprise, the second is Akbari Bros, and the third is the Mayank. Okay. Now they are asking us find the CGST and SGST and GST payable at every stage. So GST payable find करने के लिए हमको tax paid भी पता होना चाहिए और tax received भी पता होना चाहिए. So now we'll first concentrate about the first line of the sum. Amir Enterprise have purchased the sauce bottle and paid rupees 3,800 as GST. तो Amir Enterprise ने tax कितना pay किया? 3,800. And then he sold those things to Akbari Bros and received, कितना tax receive किया? 4,100. तो आमिर एंटरप्राइज का हमको टैक्स पेड भी पता है, टैक्स रिसीव्ड भी मालूम है, राइट? सो वी कैन फाइंड हियर द जीएसटी पेड बाय द आमिर एंटरप्राइज by doing what? Tax received minus tax paid. So 4,100 minus 3,800 is equal to 300. तो जिसका हाफ हाफ करेंगे हमको CGST SGST भी मिलेगा. 300 का हाफ is 150. So 150 is the CGST. Next 150 is the SGST. Okay, Amir Enterprise का हो गया solve करके. Next is which business? Next is the Akbari Bros. Now Akbari Bros ने 4,100, अभी यहाँ हमने लिखा है ना, आमिर एंटरप्राइज ने 4,100 रिसीव किया. किससे रिसीव किया? किसने पे किया इसको? अकबरी ब्रोस ने. मतलब ये जो 4,100 है, ये अकबरी ब्रोस का is what? Tax paid. So here we are going to write tax paid is 4,100. And the question it is given that the Mayank Food Corner have purchased this bottle from Akbari Bros and Mayank Food Corners have paid 4,500. किसको पे किया? अकबरी ब्रोस को. तो अकबरी ने कितना रिसीव किया? 4,500. So अकबरी का we know the tax paid also and tax received also. So hence we can subtract it. Tax received minus tax paid, 4,500 minus 4,100, which is equal to 400 is the GST payable by Akbari Bros. And to find the CGST, SGST, uska half karenge. 200 CGST, 200 is the SGST. Now let us come to the last business, the third business. Mayank Food Corners का हमको सिर्फ इतना पता है उसने GST पे कितना किया, रिसीव कितना किया इसके बारे में क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है. तो सिंस हमको मयंक फूड कॉर्नर्स का टैक्स रिसीव नहीं मालूम, एंड मयंक फूड कॉर्नर्स इट इज नॉट अ कंज्यूमर, नॉट अ कि जिसको रिसीव हो ही नहीं सकता है टैक्स. फूड कॉर्नर्स मतलब इट इज अ बिजनेस, बट सिंस दे हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड अस द टैक्स रिसीव, वी कैन नॉट फाइंड द GST पेएबल ऑफ द लास्ट बिजनेस ईयर. सो दैट मीन्स इन द होल सम दे आर ओनली आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड द GST पेबल ऑफ दोस बिजनेस जिसका पेड टैक्स पेड भी पता है और टैक्स रिसीव भी पता है. तो दिस इज जस्ट द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द सम. वी विल स्टार्ट द सम. We'll start writing the steps. Okay, so here is the sum. So we will start with writing the business, that is Amir Enterprise. Tax paid, that is ITC, which is 3,800. Tax received, that is output tax, which is 4,100. Hence GST payable equal to output minus ITC, and hence we get the GST payable as 300. CGST is GST upon 2, that is 300 upon 2, that is 150. SGST is also equal to CGST equal to 150. Whenever you write the final answer, I will advise you to write, put the rupees ka symbol also. Next business is Akbari Bros. Tax paid, which is equal to ITC, that is 4,100. Tax received is the output tax, which is 4,500. GST payable is equal to, we'll subtract both the amount. We get the final GST as rupees 400. CGST, GST का आधा, 400 का half, that is 200. SGST equal to CGST equal to rupees 200. With this, we have completed the third sum. Okay, now let us continue with the fourth sum, and the question is, Malik Gas Agency purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500. So 24,500 में purchase किया. Okay, and sold them to the local customers for rupees 26,500. मतलब 26,500 में sold किया. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5%, and hence find the CGST and UTGST. Now UTGST is a word used, is an optional word used for SGST, state. If it is not a state, union, territory, we don't use SGST, we use UTGST. Meaning and the method to solve it is one and the same. So let us start the sum. Purchase कितने में किया? 24,500. अच्छा, उसके ऊपर हम 5% कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो 24,500 का 5% इज 1,225. तो जब परचेज करते हैं, पैसा देते हैं मतलब टैक्स भी पे करते हैं. तो 1,225 इज द टैक्स पेड बाय मलिक गैस एजेंसी. तो बेचा कितने में? 26,500 में. उसका 5% इज 1,325. तो जब बेचते हैं पैसा रिसीव होता है, मतलब टैक्स रिसीव होता है. सो टैक्स रिसीव्ड इज 1,325. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड द GST पेबल? टैक्स रिसीव्ड माइनस टैक्स पेड, which is equal to 100, और उसका आधा आधा, that is 50 rupees, 50 rupees is the CGST and the UTGST. Okay, now let us start with the sum. We'll first write the name of the business, that is Malik Gas Agency. Tax paid, which is ITC, 24,500 ka 5%, 1,225. Tax received, which is output tax, 26,500 ka 5%, that is 1,325. GST payable, which is output tax minus ITC, which is rupees 100. Therefore, CGST equal to GST upon 2, that is 100 ka half, which is rupees 50. And UTGST equal to CGST, which is again rupees 50. So hence we have finished with the fourth sum. Now, let us start with the fifth sum. And the question is, Mrs. Beauty Products paid 18% GST on cosmetics worth rupees 6,000 and sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. What are the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice issued? Now, here the business have purchased the cosmetic. कितने में खरीदा? 6,000 में. उसका 18% इज द जीएसटी, करेक्ट? तो 6,000 का 18% आता है 1,080. खरीदा मतलब टैक्स पे करना पड़ेगा, तो 1,080 इज व्हाट टैक्स पेड. द सेम गुड्स कितने में बेचा? 10,000. 10,000 का 18% इज 1,800. टैक्स रिसीव्ड इज 1,800. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन में जो लास्ट लाइन पूछा है ना, स्टूडेंट्स नॉर्मली मेक अ सिली मिस्टेक हियर एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दैट सिली मिस्टेक. लेट्स सी इन द क्वेश्चन what they are asking us to find. They are asking us to find what are the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice issued. Now students here, tax invoice issue, इसमें ना हमको tax received minus paid नहीं करना है. क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि जो बिल इश्यू करेगा ना, जो बिल इश्यू करेंगे कंज्यूमर को, मैसेज ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स के पास दो बिल होगा. वन इज द बिल रिसीव्ड, जब भी उसने खरीदा उसको एक बिल मिला है, दैट बिल दे हैव रिसीव्ड. सेकेंड, जब भी बेचेंगे उन लोग गुड्स, तो बिल इश्यू करेंगे. और हमको क्लियरली क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि दे आर आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड द टैक्स इन द invoice, tax invoice issued. So that means here students, the bill जो कंज्यूमर को दे रहा है उसके अंदर का CGST SGST फाइन करना है. तो कंज्यूमर से कितना टैक्स ले रहा है? 1,800. तो इसका हाफ आएगा ना बिल के अंदर. कंज्यूमर को जो बिल दे रहा है उसमें वो उसने कितना टैक्स पे किया है वो नहीं बताएगा. उस कंज्यूमर से कितना टैक्स रिसीव करना है उसका ही डिटेल रहेगा. तो 1,800 का हाफ रहेगा in the invoice issued by the Mrs. Beauty Products. So that means here our final answer is CGST SGST issued, shown in the tax invoice issued is 900. So let us see the steps of the sum. We'll always start with the name of the business, Mrs. Beauty Products. Taxable value. Now here, since they are only asking us the CGST, SGST in the tax invoice issued, we are not finding the tax paid. We are only finding tax receipt. So taxable value is 10,000. Rate of GST 18%. Therefore, GST 10,000 ka 18%, that is 1,800. Therefore, CGST is GST ka adha, 1,800 ka half, that is 900. So here the final answer in statement you are going to write is, therefore, the CGST and SGST in the tax invoice issued is rupees 900 and rupees 900 respectively. Now student, the next sum is a very important sum. That is the question number 6. They're asking us to prepare a business to consumer B2C. Now what is this B2C? First let us understand. B2C means business to consumer. B मतलब business, C मतलब consumer. तो अगर कोई बिल एक रिटेलर जो बिल कंज्यूमर को देता है, that is called as business to consumer, B2C. और अगर कोई बिजनेसमैन दूसरे बिजनेसमैन को बिल बना के देता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ अ होलसेलर इज मेकिंग अ बिल एंड इशूइंग टू द मैन्युफैक्चरर, और द मैन्युफैक्चरर इज मेकिंग अ बिल एंड गिविंग टू द रिटेलर, so that bill is called as business to business. So there are two terms in the tax invoice. One is B2C, second is B2B. B2C is business to consumer and B2B is business to business. So here in the next question, they're asking us prepare a business to consumer tax invoice. Using the given information, write the name of the supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GSTIN, and name of the shop, address, date, invoice number. And they have also given us in question number 6 what are the goods जो हमको bill के अंदर लिखना है. That is the rate of the mobile battery and rate of the headphone. So two things are being sold here. That is the mobile battery and headphone. So let us make a tax invoice B2C. So here is the tax invoice. How to make in detail we are going to study in the next lecture. In the next lecture, we will study how to make, you are going to make the bill along with me. I will show you what to write first, what to write second, what is the next step, and how to fill in this detail. So we are going to make the same bill in the next lecture.